Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken tagine. You'll need 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. To that, add 2 onions diced, then 1 thumb-sized piece of ginger grated and 3 garlic cloves. Cook those for a few minutes until softened. Then we have 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, but you can use more if you want, 2 teaspoons of ras-el-hanout, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of turmeric and 1 cinnamon stick. Add those to the pot, stir them and make sure that the onions are coated with the spice mix. Cook that for 1 minute, then add 2 strips of lemon peel. If you can get preserved lemons you can use them, but I couldn't. Then 800 grams of chicken thigh fillets cut in half. Add them to the pot and stir to coat. Then add 3 teaspoons of honey, mix that all together and add 500 milliliters of chicken stock. Then bring that to a boil, cover and cook for 45 minutes on a low heat. After 45 minutes, add 200 grams of pitted medjool dates. If you can't get medjool dates, use any dates, but these have a nice flavour. Cook that on a low heat for 25 minutes uncovered. After 25 minutes, the sauce becomes a nice dark brown from the dates. It's thickened. Then add 4 tablespoons of coriander. You can use parsley if you prefer. Stir that through and then cover the pot and leave to stand for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, the sauce has thickened even more. Chicken is nice and tender. You can serve that with rice, couscous. I'm serving it with tabbouleh today, which I also have a recipe coming up for. I hope you enjoy this recipe and I will see you next time.